Hello, Super Writers. Today, our target skill is I can use exact details in my writing. So, let's take a closer look at what that means. When we use exact details in our writing, it helps our reader better understand what we are talking about. This week, we are writing personal narratives. Reach into your memory to pull out exact details about what happened. Here we see the sentence, we ate food. What is a word that I could replace for the word food to write with more exact details? I could replace the word food with kavalta. That's a better detail. That tells me what I was eating. That tells my reader what I was eating. We ate kavalta. What about this sentence? The girl walked outside the building. Do you see a way that we could change the word building to be a more exact detail? We could say the girl walked outside the school. We can see our school in the background of this picture. In this sentence, I saw a gift. How could we change this sentence to include more exact details? I saw a gift, or I saw a bouquet of flowers. That tells my reader what the gift was. In this sentence, some people were playing football. How could I change this sentence to include more exact details? Some kids were playing football. That gives my reader a better idea about who was playing football. All right, first graders, now it is your turn to practice using exact details. In your interactive notebook today, you are going to look for the underlined word in the sentence and change it to a more exact detail. For example, in my interactive notebook, instead of saying, I saw an animal, I changed the word animal to elephant. So now my reader knows exactly what animal I saw. I can't wait to read your exact details. Have a great day, first graders.